So everyone wants to do hacking in their life. So how can they start with hacking? So I will teach every ethical hacking beginners, ethical hacking for beginners. So first of all, welcome to technical channel. Now let's start our live class. So first of all, what I would you must know command user interface. So I just first of all you can download Kali Linux from VirtualBox or from there are two methods, dual booting method and dual booting methods. So what type of Linux do you want? So first of all, one type is of you can say downloading from VirtualBox. Yes, downloading from a VirtualBox like this. Number two comes online doing Kali. Is also available, so I will teach you everything. Number three, Kali from Microsoft learning, and one of the most effective one, dual method Kali Linux setup. Dual method Kali Linux setup. So these are some of the ideas of doing. So I will teach you everything. So first of all, let's go to our internal browser, then press add here, new tab opens. Now what you can do is Kali Linux, sorry, no, linux2.net. So enter linux2.net is a official website. So now what can you do? Look, user darpan powder guess. Now I will join queue here. So you must register first. After registering, you must register it. Now I already registered. I will connect here. So you must copy the URL telnet, then control. Now what can you do? So for doing any type of commands, you must download yours. So go to here. So you must download putty, putty, which is known as potty, or what I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is a putty. So you can download by doing download pu capital TT small y, then it will come this interface, or also we can directly go to putty.org, then we can like this, we can download from there also. You can download putting here, so just click this and it will start downloading, I think so. So I have already downloaded. So now what can you do is go to that. So after going to here, press enter. Now host name, it is asking host name or IP address. So raw telnet origin SSS, this is SS1. SSS is good one. So now let's go and find our connect. So look, we can see our IP address. So our IP address, this is not a home IP, so we have to copy this URL telnet, so linux2.net, and look, username is root, password is equal to secure. So you must remember this thing. So root user, username root, password secure. Username is root. You can see here, username is root, password is secure. So when it asks, you must give that. Or second, you also can give a password, username arise or secure. So these are two conditions you must give. So now go to our, so this is our link. So now what we will go is in, so putty configuration. Now we will give a link, Linux. Now it will directly connect to the browser linux2.net. Sorry, spelling error. Okay, now it is correct. SSS, open, enter. Now it will open one interface, linux2.net. Now wait for some second. It will ask a password and it will ask a username and password. The password that I type here will not be shown because your password is very secure inside this, and your password name is also secure. Wait for a second, it is connecting directly to the Darpan powder. Okay, wait. We first of all we forget to do one thing. Oh, so first of all we have to switch on. I will forget to switch on. So switch on. Press this bottom. Switch on. Now it will come booting. It will now boot. So go to connect. It will booting now. Boot progressing. When it complete now, only we can do our thing. So boot is now progressing. It will when it will complete, we will start to carry Linux, and I will show you different types of installation process. Wait for some second. Okay, now it is progressing here. So directly in 2 seconds we can do. In 2 minutes we can do carry Linux setup from online website linux2.net. So it is already completed. Now go to here. Yes, now it asks login. Yes, so I say you must give this root. Now it will ask password. You must give password secure, SECURE, then enter. Look, our password is correct. Last login Saturday May 9. So now we can run. So change drive. So like this, I will give first instruction. It is running now. I will say nano. Okay, it is very slow in this online, so it is very bad, I think. Dot it is not so fast as I think. So this, are you sure you want to close this session? Okay, then it will come. See, I think a nice switch off. Then we can do switch off here. Now it is switch off. Now let's go to back next idea. So now might go to Microsoft Store. Next installation process from Microsoft. So from Microsoft also we can install Kali Linux. So go to search bottom here. Wait for some second. Kali, Kali. Then this is our official app. So you can install from Microsoft. I have already installed, so it will ask me run. So I will run it. Kali Linux. So I have already installed. So I will press run. So this is first of all download this. After downloading this, you have to go to command prompt. So after downloading, first of all, you must go to command prompt and you must type Kali here and press enter. Kali Linux will load and look like this. Now we can do different types of things here. Nano.pom.text now. So it will open here. Terminal. Okay, like this. I can go to exit. Control X. Okay. CD stress bar. So CD stress home. CD stress. So we can do different types of things here. Move. So now we can go to in CD stress, CD stress root one. So we can go to CD stress root one like this. After going, we can list. So these are some files that I have made. We can also make some directory. After to make a directory, we must keep the name darpon. So I will give name darps like this. I make the directory. So list. Then look darpon. Will also comes darps is my directory. Now I want to copy the file the asu. I want to move the file asu in this directory name darps. So it has been moved. So I will go to directory darps. Then I will list look asu comes. So again I will go to cd stress home. Then I will cd stress home. I will go once more. Again I will say cd root one. Sorry, cd stress home is not still running now. Then I will say cd root one list. Then I will say look, we can see darps. So asu file. So now we can remove one file also. So for example, I want to remove the file. So I want to remove the file, DRIST. So for this RM, this it remove the files. Now next process is to get to the file. First of all, to save the file, we can create a file inside this terminal. So it gives GUI interface. It gives command to GUI interface. Command line interface also give command to graphical user interface. This hacker use most often time because it is very big programming. It is used for making algorithm comments. So nano darpan the text is my file here. What is this? What is nano function? I will say you it opens a small command. When we say nano, it opens a small command text editor. This save time for hackers. We cannot change always. We cannot switch GUI and CUI all times. So we create a file and that will automatically switch. So just we cannot always time switch from GUI, CUI, GUI, CUI. It takes so many times. So nano is for shortcut. So we can write here subscribe like this. We can paste here. Dorpon Powder. Hashtag is gonna so hashtag is like comment inside here. So this is also like Python. In Python also comment. Python we use comment to give comment. We use hashtag like that. In here also use as as a comment. So now I will save it, Control plus O, then enter, it already saved. Now Control X, exit. Now what I will do is cat has to open the file. Just I have open cat open the text. It opened the file just now what I have write. Now what we are going to run is so this open the this open the text. This text what it can do is it give in a small line shows in some space in some place. It shows the data in some place. Control plus X exit. Control plus X exit. Sorry, Control plus Z. Oh yes, Control plus Z. Sorry, Control plus Z to exit. So Control plus Z helps to stop the file. Then now what we will do is we are going very fast. PWE shows the current directory. So our current directory is slash home slash root 1 PWE. But when we sorry, so when we go to cd slash home, then we can do pwd. It shows our directory. So now cd slash cac, then sorry cd cac. So for this I think we must go to bar. Then now we can see this. Now what can we do is cd bar pwd we can do, and it shows bar. Now we can again change cd slash backups. Backups, sorry, backups. Now also we can reach the file. So now pwd it shows us backups, bar slash backups cd. So cd slash rock, no source file cd rock. So we will again go to cd slash bar only. We will go. Okay, now we will do cd slash rock, cd slash rock. This the file. No, tmp. What is this tmp? cd slash bar. So what is this tmp? List. Then what is the tmp? List cd slash home, cd As home. Now what we do is, okay, we are going very fast. Now we are going to run our grep. So grep filtering out stuff from a file. So first of all, echo. So we can also use echo. Then quotation marks, darpon, powder. Echo is also used to print something. Echo darpon powder. Echo darpon powder. So it won't run echo double point. It is used print, so also we can save also file. We can do is that echo get head from echo so echo have to print, I think. So head of echo, leave it. So now echo uh, dot point powder like this, greater than sign, dot point dot text. So permission denied. Why the permission has been denied? Once more try. Third pawn is a program like this. I will write here. Then any file I will give here. Bas Tara text permission denied. Why permission has been denied? So I will root one. Now I will write echo. Same line. Third pawn is says us that the text and look, it has been saved. The program Zara had a text. Jet pon. Oh, we can write anything now. Third pawn is a boy, and he loves get exit. Get the text. Just grep is used for forgetting what you want from a file. What you want from a file. Now change the modulus to change the permission. We can also change the permission. CS mode. CS mode. CS mode. Echo hello world test. MB test use bus rust mode plus X. So for example, some of the executable in some condition like others directly. Yes. Suppose let's create an unexecuted file. Third one. Then look. Control plus. Whoa. Then when we exit here, then look. Get just now what we give. Get dot one. So this is now so mode by using change. We can change the permission. CS mode. We can give pros X. Then try. She's able to have missing of the X. So pros X like this. We can give we can make executable. Also we can get change mode, cs mode, pros w, which has to make a writable. Now we can write here any, so everyone can assist this. So this is different types of things we are now running now. First of all, let's go to vendor. Vendor is a person or a company offering something for sale. So Mac changer. So first of all, we are going to run about proxy, random change, and so proxy change. Different types of things are we are going to run. So first of all, we are going to run about how to stay anonymous with proxy change. Change the proxy. So a person at X intermediate person is arrived here. We can anonymize yourself on wire or network to hide IP address protocol, internet protocol address. We can hide current system, intermediate system, and target system. These are the procedure nano. So nano stress nano series proxy change that configure proxy change to draw out the traffic to a series of proxy servers routed, meaning defeat and cost to retreat. In these are the types of proxies: CDP, SUX4, SUX5. We can delete a hash to activate anything. So for example, now we are going to do everything that we want to do now. So so this much only. Now the part 2 we can see live hacking now in this video. This much only. Bye bye.